Alright guys, this finally came today. So happy and excited. It's our new hood cover. So we got the Bronco 2021 hood scoop from Ford Accessories through Texas Complete Broncos. So here's the hood scoop right there. It's still covered. And this is what it comes with. Here's the instructions. And here's the 3M paste right here. Man, they're 3M paste. They ain't messing around. Look how big this is. So we removed the plastic and this is how it looks like. Hood scoop from Ford Accessories. So that's the top. And this is how the bottom looks like right there. And there's the warning label. Man, this hood scoop looks really nice. This is how our hood scoop looks like. It's not in the proper place right now, but this is just how it looks like outside.
Should I put it?
Yeah, sure. Let's see how it looks.
Okay. Wow.
Oh crap! Yeah, it looks nice. Oh wow! It increased the car's height by a little bit on the hood. Sweet. All it's missing now is Raptor right here in the side. Cool. So we finished wiping it down with a clean cloth. Yeah, with that. And then now we're going to apply the 3M adhesive sealant.
We can just put it here. Huh?
Over here in these gaps, like right there. That's what the instructions said,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. Like, oh, except for this.
Yeah.
This one, we leave this alone. Like, yeah, the gaps here, we leave that alone. Well, we apply it here. All right.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. Right, so we just finished poking a hole here, and we're about to
Can you even squeeze it?
hopefully squeeze it.
Oh, there you go. So,
I heard some. Oh, there it is. There you go. Squeezing it like a pastry. So we just finished squeezing the 3M adhesive, and we applied it here to the spots that needed to be applied at. We did our best squeezing it. It was pretty hard squeezing it too, all around. And then now we have to remove the 3M tape and then apply it in the hood. Okay, so we're now peeling off the 3M tape.
yeah, we just need to peel off just the edge and like dangle it out, and then we have to slap it, and then we just need to pull the cover for the 3M.
All right, cool. So we finished peeling off, or peeling some of the tape off like this, and then we're about to place it in the hood. All right, once we remove the tape, we're just now putting pressure on it. So this has the 3M tape plus the 3M adhesive. So we just finished slapping this on, and we're about to pop up the hood to see if there's any friction while opening the hood. All right, so we're gonna open up the hood. And so far, it's perfect. Not even so far so good. It's perfect. All right, we did a great job. Cool.
Awesome.
Sweet. And now we can't drive for one day. We cannot drive over 25 miles an hour or go in a car wash.
Yeah.
Yeah, for one day. So there it is, right there. Cool. And this is how our hood looks like from the driver's side right there. And this is the passenger side over here.
Yeah.
And there you go. So we just test drove our hood scoop, and we probably drove around what, like 20 miles? Around 20 miles. We're just here at the park right now, and so far so good. It's still sticking. Yeah, it has the 3M tape and the 3M adhesive thing. Whatever you call that.
All right, guys. So we are here at Little Sister.
Yep. I've never been here before. She has.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
It's a Vietnamese fancy.
elegant dining
Yeah.
or Vietnamese food.
Yeah. There you go.
And this is the spring roll right here. This is the shrimp spring roll. Look how elegant this looks. So we got the pork vermicelli with shrimp. Man, this looks good.
It's really good.
Oh wow. Ain't messing around. All right, let's do this. Are we supposed to open the top?
And push it down, you know?
Is that how you do it?
I think so.
It doesn't really see in the instructions, does it?
No. Not unless we didn't read the instruction. Okay, we have to read it.